Here's my project for this week. RP movies. That button works. I can sort based off of just the genre, and then also just based off of the title. And that all works. I have my rating correct. I can also edit the rating. I can have the details and delete. When I add a new one thing I noticed is that the regular expressions don't always catch everything. They catch just what we implied. So, like that, it does catch it. It needs to be 100. But as far as the rating, you can make up a rating if it follows the same format. So, that'd probably need to become an enum eventually. But it creates fine. Release date, you can also set that to beyond today. And so that's also an issue. But not required this lab yet. Anyway, I think this is really smooth, and I really enjoyed the tutorial.